Today we are going to study about sales tax. What is the meaning of tax? Government need money for all the development works. And from where government gets the money? It gets money from the tax which they collect from the citizens. Different type of taxes are there: sales tax, property tax, road tax, etc. When we purchase a new vehicle, we have to give road tax because we will be using the roads which is constructed by the government. So in order to maintain the road, in order to construct the road, government needs money, and that they collect in the form of road tax. Property tax, when we have the property tax is there. Every year we give property tax. Or when we purchase some articles, we have that tax, sales tax. So like that, different type of taxes are there. Okay. Now, always tax is represented with the help of percentage, 10%, 12%, etc. Example, when I am purchasing, when I purchase one t-shirt for rupees 1,000, okay, and rate of tax is 10%, that means even though the price is only 1,000, I have to give 10% extra as the tax. That means 10% of 1,000 is 100, that means 1,100 rupees I have to give total. That 100 rupees the shopkeeper is not getting, even though we are giving to the shopkeeper, that they are supposed to pay to government. Okay, so that is tax. Earlier it was a sales tax, now they changed it into, afterwards they changed it to what? VAT, value added tax. Now they changed again it into GST, you know. Now what is existing is GST. So GST 28%, 18% GST, yeah, 20% GST. So accordingly we have to give different items have different, according to the value. GST is decided by the government, so it will be added up. That means 18% GST, more common is 18%. So 18% GST means 18% extra we have to give. That means it is the duty of the person who is selling to collect that much extra money from the customer, and it has to be submitted. Okay. So there is nothing to by heart as a formula. We know the concept of a percentage. That is the only thing. Then we will start directly we will start exercise number 6.4. We will go for a direct question. Direct question is question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Ram purchases a sofa set costing rupees 12,350. That means the price is rupees 12,350. That is the price. If the rate of sales tax is 7%, tax percentage, yeah, sales tax percentage, simply we can say tax percentage, 7% tax. So we can calculate what is the tax to be given. Tax means 7% of 1,000, 12,350, 1,2,350. That means 7 upon 100 into 1,2,350. This much money has to be given. 0, 0 cancelled. Now instead of cancellation, what is better is go for multiplication. 7 into 1,235. 7 into 1,235 is 8,645 upon 10. Upon 10 means we know that is a point only we have to put, that is 864.5 50 paise. 864 is the tax. Therefore, question is total money, total amount he has to pay for the sofa set. Therefore, total money to be paid on. So the money to be paid is that tax amount is 864.5 plus original price 12,350. So 12,350 plus this one, total 13,214 rupees 50 paise. 0.5 means 0.5 rupees. 0.5 rupees means 50 paise. 0.5 into 100. 0.5 into 100 paise, that means 50 paise. Okay, remember it. It is not 0.5 paise, 0.5 rupees. 13,214 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Next question. So this is a direct question. First finding calculating tax, then adding it. Question number 6 also same. Direct one. Question number 6. Gopal purchases a scooter costing 32,450. Cost equal to rupees 32,450. Rate of tax, tax percentage, yeah, rate of tax both are okay, equal to 9%. Therefore, tax is equal to, tax means 9 upon 100 into 32,450. 1 0 cancelled, 9 into 3245. That is rupees 9 into 3245. Divided by 10 is also there. That is 2920.5. 2,920.5 rupees is a tax. Therefore, total money to be paid. Total money to be paid means no doubt 32,450 for the shopkeeper plus for the government 2,920.5. That is rupees 2920.5 plus 32,450. So that is going to be 35,370.5. Okay. Cost is there, tax percentage is there, calculating tax, then simply adding total money to be paid. This is happening in the case of when we go to the shop also. When we are seeing the price tag, okay, I am getting only 1,000 rupees in the price tag. What is written is 1,000, 10% tax. That means 10% I have to give extra. When I go to the bill counter, total bill will be 1,100. 10% added. Yeah, 20% added means 200 added. So 1,200 I have to give. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Now question number 2, indirect question. They gave indirect in the beginning. That's why I start with the 5 and 6. So indirect question. Sanju purchased a two-wheeler for rupees 43,200 including tax. Total money is given. Total money including tax is 43,200. Rate of tax is 8%. Tax percentage. Tax percentage is given as 8%. Letter. Original cost. Purchased a two-wheeler. So original cost. Original price. Original price is equal to rupees x. X rupees. We can simply assume. Original price x. So tax means 8% of x. Therefore, tax is equal to 8% of x. That means 8 upon 100 into x. 8 and 8 x upon 100 we can do cutting. 4 and 50. Again 25 and 2. 2x upon 25 is the tax. Therefore, total money to be paid. Total money to be paid means x plus original money, x original price x rupees has to be given plus tax has to be given 2x upon 25. This is given as 43,200. Bracket we will write given. It is given. 43,200 is already given, and that we got by adding also original price plus tax is total money, total price. Are you understanding? Total money to be paid means 43,200. And that is same as this one. This addition we can do now. What is this? LCM 25. 25 into x, 25x plus 2x equal to 4320. This is exactly like a 3 plus 2 by 5. Okay, not a complicated thing. Ordinary LCM 3 plus 2 by 5 means all are knowing it. 3 into 5 15. 15 plus 2 that is 17 by 5. Exactly same thing is done. Divide by 1 only nothing. So 25 into x 25x plus 2x divided by 25. All divided by 25. That means 27x upon 25 equal to 43200. Therefore, x is equal to 27x means 25 will go there. X is equal to 43,200 into 25 upon 27. This calculation we have to do. Cutting with the 3 is possible. Cutting with the 3 is possible. So X is going to be, I am writing it directly. Yeah, we will do 3 3s are 3 into 9, 27. So 3 1 times 13. 3 4s are 12. Again 3 4s are 12. 0 0. Again 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 24 3s are 24. Again 3 16 0 0. 16 0 0 into 25. That is going to be 40,000. So what is 40,000? X. X means original price. That is original price equal to, original price is rupees 40,000. Remember to write rupees also. Okay, rupees 40,000 original price. Original price plus 8% of this price is equal to 43,200. Okay, indirect question. Price plus 8% of extra tax is equal to 43,200. Total is given already. Another question, question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3, it is written, a TV cost rupees 29,430. Original, including the tax. So exactly same, including tax. If the rate of tax is 9%, tax percentage equal to 9%. Let original price be, original price equal to X. Therefore tax is equal to, tax means 9% of X. 9 upon 100 X. That is 9X upon 100. Now we can say total money paid. Total money paid, yeah, to be paid. Purchased, already purchased, it goes to this much. If the sale tax is charged at this, find the list price of the TV. List price, original price, yeah, list price. List price I already explained earlier. The price which is there in the list, both are same as MRP, list price X. So, total money to be paid equal to original money X plus 9X upon 100. This is given as 29,430. He had to purchase for this much because he has to give tax also. So here what is this now? LCM 100. 100 into X, 100X plus 9X equal to 29430. Exactly same as previous one. 100 into X, 100X, 100X plus 9X upon 100. 109X upon 100. $109X upon 100 equal to that total money. What was that? That is 29,430. Therefore, X is equal to 29,430 into 100 upon 109. Cutting is possible. So we will do the calculation. That is 29430 divided by 109. Answer is going to be rupees 27000. That is, therefore, that is list price LP is equal to rupees 27,000. The TV cost only 27,000. Now when we purchase it, we have to give the tax, which how much percentage? Tax 9%. So the total money is going to be 29,430. Okay, I hope it is clear. Then we have, so we did question number 3. 4, selling price of motorcycle is including tax is as much, 7% tax, exactly same. So 4 you can do as homework. 5, 6 already done. Question number 7 now. 7, different one. Question number 7. A shopkeeper gives 8% discount on a refrigerator. Okay, discount percentage. Discount percentage is 8%. If the marked price of the refrigerator, marked price is equal to rupees 15,500. Find the amount which the customer has to pay for buying the refrigerator where the rate of tax is 10%. Rate of tax is also given. What is the rate of tax? 10%. So what all things are given here? In this question, discount percentage is there, marked price is there, then tax percentage is also there. What is the tax percentage given? If the market price of this one, when the amount of rate of tax is 10%. Tax person is 10%. That is also given. Okay, now what to do? From where this person, suppose I am purchasing, for which money I have to give the tax? Is it for MP? 15,500, 10% of 15,500 has to be calculated or not? No, because I am not going to purchase it for 15,500. Yeah, they are not going to sell it, give it to me for 15,500. They are going to, this shopkeeper is going to give the discount to me. So we have discount percentage and MB in this business. MB is there, discount percentage is there. So I know how to find SP. Formula is there. SP means 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into MB. The formula which we studied earlier. In the previous video I explained discount. 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into MB. That means 100 minus 8 upon 100 into 15,500. That means 92 upon 100 into 15,500. That is going to be rupees. How much it is? Calculation we can do. 92 into 155. That is 14,260. So I am going to purchase it for 14,260. Yeah, the shopkeeper is going to sell it for 14,260 only. That means my tax liability is only for this one. That is only MRP, maximum price. But then I am purchasing it for this one. So I have to give tax for this amount. So tax percentage is 10%. I can write once again if it is needed. Means to make it convenient, tax percentage of 10%. So I will think about the tax. Tax means 10% of selling price. Means the price with which I am going to purchase it. 10 upon 100 into 14260. Cancelled. That is rupees 1426. This much tax I have to give. Therefore, total money to be paid. Find the amount which a customer has to pay. Total money to be paid. Total money to be paid equal to SP. That was SP plus tax. SP was 14,260 plus tax is 1426. That is rupees 15,686 rupees I have to give. Okay, I hope it is clear. So initially the price MP or price, simply the price we can say. Price is 15,500. Discount percentage is there. So first find SP. So the bill is going to be 40,260 only if there is no tax. If I am not giving tax, I have to give only 40,260. Now I have to give tax. So tax of 10% of this one. 10% of this price. So 1,426 tax. So total money to be paid means tax plus SP. So 15,686 I have to give for purchasing this. Okay. Now we have one question. Question number 1. Abdul buys 500 pen at the rate of rupees 2 per pen. If the rate of sale tax is 8%, total amount payable. Let us do that also. Now you will be knowing it automatically, but still we will discuss. First question, first part. Abdul buys 500 pen at the rate of 2 rupees. Total cost. Total price total cost. Total cost means 500 pen. So 500 into rupees 2. That means 1,000 rupees. Total 1,000 rupees total cost. If the rate of tax, tax percentage is 8%, total amount to be payable. So direct question only. we can do even in mind also, isn't it? So we will calculate a tax. Tax means 8 upon 100 into 1000. 80 rupees I have to give as a tax. So total price, total amount payable. Total amount to be paid equal to 1000 plus 80, that is rupees 1080. Okay, so the difference was only this one, 2 rupees 500 pen. So total money, total bill is going to be 1000 plus tax. Second part, Kantha purchased a refrigerator for this much including tax if the list price of, okay, that is another type. Now the second part, we were discussing about that one and the video got stuck in between, that's why. Okay, so let us continue. What is written is Kantha purchased a refrigerator for rupees 8,208 including tax. Including tax. So total money, total amount, total price including tax is rupees 8,208. If the list price of the refrigerator is 7,600, list price, LP, list price is only rupees 7,600. Price of the article, price of the item refrigerator is 7,600, but I had to pay 8,208 because I paid the tax also. So therefore tax is equal to, tax means total money paid, that is 8,208, total money paid minus list price, price of the article, that means 8,208 minus 7,600, that is rupees 608. 608. This much is the tax. And now tax percentage. Question is find the tax percentage. Rate of sales tax. Tax percentage equal to tax divided by 608. Tax formula, tax upon list price, original price into 100. Not the total money. Always percentage is connected to the original thing. Originally the price is list price 7,600. So tax, that is 608 divided by list price, that is 7,600 into 100. Cancel, cutting is possible. 304 38 19 15 2 152 by 19. May be possible. 152 divided by 19, 8 times. 8%. Tax percentage is 8%. So it is direct question. Total money paid and original money, that means tax we can calculate. So after calculating tax percentage means tax divided by list price into 100. The price into 100. Original price into 100. Okay, tax divided by original into 100. I hope the things are clear. This topic is only this much. Very simple things. One is a direct question and one is indirect question. Only two type of questions. Tax percentage 80%. Original money is 1000. So simply calculating tax, that is 80 rupees. Do addition. Direct question. Now both are given including tax this much rupees 8,208. Then price is only 7,600. So difference means tax, then tax percentage. Then we have indirect question. With x we will do. Indirect question means we have to do with the indirect way. Means with the help of x we have to do that. Okay, so I hope that the things are clear. Okay.